right here, back with another video, and today's video is going to be a review slash demo on an amazing foundation. Well, we don't necessarily know if it's an amazing foundation, but we are going to test it out today and see if it holds up to its claims. So if you are interested to see, oh, and I forgot to mention, this foundation is only $6. So if you guys are interested to see me test out this foundation for you all, then make sure you keep on watching. Alright, so now that I've caught you guys' attention, the foundation that I'm going to be reviewing slash trying out for you guys today is from the brand The Ordinary. It is their Serum foundation. And I found this foundation while I was looking for affordable primers on YouTube. I went to go research The Ordinary primers and I stumbled across their foundation. I started watching reviews and videos on YouTube about their foundations and I was blown away. I had to try it and it's $6, guys. Like literally a $6 foundation that people were saying is amazing and their skin looked great. I had to try it out for myself. So I ordered my foundation from the site DCM. I think that's how you pronounce it. And just to let you guys know, this foundation comes in 21 different shades. The Serum foundation is a lightweight medium coverage formulation available in 21 comprehensive shades. The foundation offers moderate coverage that looks natural and is very lightweight. It has like a serum kind of feel to it. It also offers SPF 15, so that's really good. It's going to protect your skin from the sun. Each foundation, I said, comes in 21 different shade ranges, and within those 21 different shades, you have 3 categories. So you have a 1, which is for fair skin tones, a 2, which is for medium skin tones, and a 3, which is for dark skin tones. And then it breaks it down even further. Within those 3 categories, you have P for pink skin tones, red for red skin tones, yellow skin tones for Y, of course, and then N for neutral skin tones. So it seems like this foundation really is catering to a broad range of different skin shades. It doesn't tell you how long it's supposed to last, but obviously I'm expecting a good 6 to 8 hour wear out of this foundation, which is usually what my day consists of. So without further ado, let's open up my package and get into this review. So this is legitimately a first impressions video. I just received my package in the mail. It has not been opened, so I'm going to open it with you. Alrighty, so here is what the package looks like inside. I did also order their primers. I got 2. I got the Ordinary High Spreadability Fluid Primer, which is in this container, and then I also got the High Adherence Silicone Primer, which is in this container. Ooh. So I'm going to be trying these out as well. And then, like I mentioned, I did get the Ordinary Serum foundation, and I got it in 2 shades because I wasn't completely sure. The site does give you a really good swatch diagram, so if you guys really want to see your color match and try to match it on there, that will be linked down below for you guys, as well as links to all the products that I'm mentioning right now. But I just went ahead and picked the 2 colors that I thought would be closest to my skin tone. So I'm sure you guys want to know the price for all 4 of these products. Okay, so my total came to $26.20. So for all 4 of these products, I paid $26. So first I'm going to prime my face. I'm going to be using the High Spreadability primer first. I'm going to be using this primer on this half of my face and the other primer on this half of my face. So I took about a dime size amount and I am going to begin applying that. It definitely feels like silicone-y. It reminds me a lot of, I have the Tarte Poreless primer, and that's what the texture reminds me of. Now for the other side, I'm going to be using the High Adherence Silicone Primer. This one is white, so that's interesting. It's a white kind of like primer. This one is definitely a lot thicker. It feels like a lotion actually. So I'm gonna start with 2.1 Y because I'm a little bit on the lighter side. My tan is starting to fade, I guess you could say. or I should say. So I think this one might be my best match. It's really liquidy, if you can't hear it. And I'm going to be applying the foundation with my beauty blender. It's taking a little while to come out. Oh, there we go. So here is what it looks like. It's definitely running down my hand, so it does have a real serum-like consistency. It actually looks a little darker than I was thinking too, so we'll see. So right away, I'm noticing that it blends out really seamlessly. It's definitely lightweight. And the coverage is definitely a sheer to, I'd say, medium maybe. Because I am getting some coverage on some of my acne. So that was one pump of the product on this half of my face. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side, same one pump method. This is one application of the foundation. I like the coverage. I feel like my skin has a nice healthy glow to it. It looks like skin in my opinion. It doesn't feel heavy or cakey, and it doesn't look heavy or cakey either. But it did go ahead and cover some of the redness around my nose. It covered some of my acne scarring on my cheeks, and it also did a good job of blurring my freckles. Alright guys, so I went ahead and I finished my makeup off camera. I'm going for a natural look today. Everyday type of look, nothing too glam. And yeah, the time is now 3:05. It's kind of late in the day, but we're still going to give this a wear test. I'm going to just go about my business today, and I will check in with you guys later to let you guys know how this foundation held. I am back. It has been a good 6 hours. The time is now 8:51 in the evening. I just wanted to jump back on here to give you guys my final thoughts on this product and let you guys know just what I'm thinking, how it held up throughout the day, and so forth. To start off with just talking about how I think the primers held up throughout the day, I am thinking that I'm seeing a little bit more oil on the side of the high spreadability. I feel like there's more oil poking through, like in my cheek area where my pores are the largest. And I also feel that maybe my smile lines are maybe a little bit more worn on this side of my face as well. On the side with the high adherence, I do still have oil, but I'm feeling like it's not as apparent as the other side is. No, overall I feel like I am seeing some oil poke through, but this foundation, the Serum, the Ordinary Serum foundation, is not claiming to be a matte finish, just so you guys know. All in all, I do think that the primers helped keep my makeup in place. I'm not seeing any areas of my skin where I feel like the foundation has worn away, other than my smile lines. But other than that, I feel like this foundation, for it to be $6, it really held up with the best. I can't say that my face looks any worse than it does when I wear my favorite Urban Decay All Nighter foundation. I don't know, I feel like my skin looks really healthy. It does look a little oily, but also keep in mind that these lights are not normal, so you wouldn't see this much light on my face at this time of the day. So yeah. My forehead though, can we talk about the fact that my forehead has like, it's just like completely, it's there, it's matte, there's like no oil peeking through or anything. I did use some powder on my forehead though, so maybe this foundation, you do need to powder your face from time to time, but I would powder my face with one of my high-end foundations as well. So that's not to say that this foundation isn't doing its job. Would I recommend this product? Oh my gosh, yes. I will leave links to everything I talked about in this video in the description box below, so make sure you open it up and check it out for yourself. Definitely give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more foundation slash makeup first impressions. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. Are you going to try this foundation? I highly suggest that you do. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button while you are here and turn on the post notifications so you don't miss my next video. And until my next one, I will see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching.